Hi everyone, welcome to Multivendor Marketplace. In this video, I will show you how the admin can create a custom field for vendors. First, open the admin panel. Once the admin dashboard is open, go to Marketplace, then to Seller Attribute. Click on Create Seller Attribute. Enter the label name, enter the name in your language, and enter the attribute code. Choose the attribute type. For validation, I am choosing Required. For configuration, I am choosing Visible on Sign-up page. Click on Save Seller Attribute. Once the seller attribute is created successfully, it is important to map it. Click on the Mapping button. Here you will see Assigned Attribute. Simply drag and drop it into your desired group. Once the